awaits us, as much as I have known. And we must hurry here and there. But the blue sky still holds a perfect memory of how gracefully the saplings have grown. These saplings will be planted somewhere else now and will bloom with all their mirth, and the roots will remain grounded to this specific earth. For growth, a lot must churn, and for fear, our credits fall too low. But here upon this hilly crest, there has been some respite. And when the fretting day is done, beneath this particular piece of sky, my roots will still find rest. Good morning, respected Sister Sheba, our manager, Sister Manjusha, our principal, respected sisters, teachers, and Ramneeites. Today marks the ending of a journey that began somewhere in the March of 2010 for me. 13 precious years, 1,000 beautiful memories, and a phase that shall hence be concluded. Numerous emotions flood my system as I look back upon this wonderful journey. The baby steps and the rabbit leaps, the downfalls and the uprisings, the mistakes and the lessons. Gratitude will be the one and only expression that will be capable of being the umbrella of this overwhelming downpour of feelings. A thank you will be an understatement for what we have all received from Ramnee. The values, the ethics, the teachings are not even countable, to be honest. I am humbled as I thank our principal, Reverend Sister Manjusha, for always being there for us throughout. Thank you, dear sisters. Your simplicity and grace always inspires us to be rooted and kind and makes us realize that a lot can be done just by kindness. Dear teachers, in all honesty, I feel honored to be blessed enough to be taught by you or in your presence. A thank you to our supporting staff for always taking care of our most minute needs and assisting us in every way possible. I was indeed blessed to be raised in this institution. Thank you, dear Ramneeites. Your support is all that I have. You're all the next batch of saplings that is being raised in this garden. Make sure to absorb the positivity, for the air beyond the blue gates isn't going to be as safe and pure. I was indeed blessed to be here as I bid adieu to the ever-flowering garden of Ramnee. Thank you, and signing off, Unnati Bisht, Vice Head Girl 2022-2023.